I'm looking at my Moodle gradebook, and I have all my categories set up, my quizzes, my assignments, and so on. I would like to be able to put weights in the weight column that match my syllabus. For example, my quizzes are 20% of the overall grade, but this is grayed out here. The reason why I can't write them in is because the overall aggregation for the gradebook is simple weighted mean. I need to change that to a weighted mean. In order to do that, I go to the topmost Edit button and Edit Settings. And the aggregation here, I will change it to weighted mean of grades. And save changes. You will notice now there are boxes in the weights column. For each item and each category, there's a box that's opened up. This was a quiz that did not count. I set it to 0. The attendance counts as 15%. We'll give it 15. Quizzes are 20%. Assignments are 25%. My forums count as 20%. I'll make that change. I have a practice category. I count that also as 20%. And I have some items that I do not count. I actually put it in a category called does not count, and I set that to 0. And save changes.